Hi everyone! Welcome to Cheerful Journey channel. I'm Audrey and today I would like to share with you a simple setup for this A6 size cover from Notedori PH. By the way, this is not a sponsored post because I think I've been posting videos or unboxings for I think 3 consecutive videos from Notedori PH. Because I think I rediscovered this brand. This is a local brand from the Philippines, and this A6 cover or A6 traveler's notebook in this very nice color, I think this light lavender or lilac, is one of the many goodies that I got from their December box, which I already did a video. And I think if you would like to watch the video, I'll just link it in the I button above, and I think in the description, description box below. Okay, so going back, I've been planning to set this up because compared to the other traveler's notebooks and journals and planners that I have, this is the most compact. But I do not have the time or the luxury of time to do my own inserts. So maybe if there are some of you who also don't have the luxury of time to set up their planner because you don't have the time to do your own traveler's notebook inserts, then this video might be for you because I found these beautiful inserts, quality A6 size inserts with 80 GSM paper from National Bookstore, and it is not that expensive. And look at the covers. You don't have to design the covers because the covers are all beautiful. See? I bought 4. These are from Victoria's Journals. And these are all lined paper. I think these are all 80 GSM paper, and it only costs 59 pesos per insert, while this one with a marble design costs 69 pesos. So I think these are cheaper than the Muji inserts, and yet you don't have to spend the time to design each of the covers because these are already beautiful. So aside from that, I also found out that Stradmore office already have this A6 card holder, and it only costs, they don't have the price. I think this is around 40 to 50 pesos. So the price range is here. Oh, it's even cheaper. It's 39.75 pesos. This is for the A6 card holder. So, I would like to invite you to join me to set up this traveler's notebook in A6 size. So, there are 4 strings. That's why I bought 4 notebooks. So, I'll just alternately put it inside. What's the cover? Okay. So I think I'll do it in that arrangement. Let's start from the back. I just need to check the middle portion and then insert it. This is very easy and this is very convenient. Just need to get the second part, and then here. Where's the middle portion? I think this is the middle part, and I think I'll put this one first. And then this one. Okay. This is very nice. Okay, and then I'll just remove the tag. I'll just remove it later. And then how do you do this one? I think you just need to insert it. Yeah. So I'll just insert it in between this one. Wait. Just have to remove this one. There. There you go. Although I just noticed that the A6 size for the card holder does not really fit well. There is, I think, a quarter of an inch on both sides, on the top and the bottom. That is extra. So, nonetheless, it doesn't bother me. So, there you go. We have this very quick, simple, and affordable setup for our A6 Traveler's Notebook. So if you are in the Philippines or you have an access to these materials or these products, then these are very good because the paper is of high quality. So that's it. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you have other suggestions on the types of video that you would like to see in this channel, please don't hesitate to share it with me through the comment section down below. That's it for now, and please don't forget to join me again next time in my wonderful world of Cheerful Journey. Bye!